Taking payments on your WordPress site couldn't be easier with Gravity Forms and Stripe. Stripe integrates seamlessly with Gravity Forms, and getting started takes only minutes. Let's take a look at how to build a Stripe checkout form.
I'll get started by installing and activating the Stripe add-on. Next, I'll navigate to the Gravity Forms settings page, where I can select the Stripe tab and follow the on-screen instructions to sync my forms with Stripe. For a detailed guide on integrating your forms with Stripe, check out the link in the description of this video. Next, I'll create a new form. If needed, I can build a payment form from scratch, but for this example, I'm going to use the built-in Stripe checkout form template. I'm going to tailor the form to my liking by updating the product fields to be more specific to what I am selling on my site. Next, I am going to select the Stripe field and enable additional payment methods. I'll then follow the link on screen to go to the Stripe dashboard and activate the different payment methods I'd like to use, such as Apple Pay and Google Pay. I'm also going to enable Stripe Link, which is a fast checkout solution from Stripe that enables customers to save their address and payment information so that they can use it again on any site that uses Link. I'll save my form and then navigate to the settings for this form to create a new Stripe feed. Like before, you can use the link in the description for a more detailed guide on creating a feed. Once I have my feed set up, all that's left is to embed and publish the form on a page or post. My form looks great, and I'm now ready to start collecting payments with Stripe and Gravity Forms. Stripe also gives me the option of installing the Gravity Forms Stripe app, so I can see at a glance the form entries associated with any payments received, all from within my Stripe dashboard. Finally, I can look at form entries within my WordPress dashboard, as well as view sales reports, allowing me to see how my form is performing at a glance.
It's that easy. If you have any questions, be sure to let us know in the comments. And for more videos on all things Gravity Forms, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.